Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, I am aware that people are getting married at an earlier and earlier age these days, and especially in the northern parts of Nigeria. It's a cause of concern and alarm, but it's something that we have come to realize that is going on there. But every so often, a story pops up that tears your emotion, even though you know that these things go on in that side of the world. So I bring you this. These couple's pre-wedding photos are causing a stir online. So photos of couples causing a stir online. Nigerians are reacting on social media after this young intending couple's pre-wedding photos surfaced online. According to reports, the wedding of the couple, who are 17 and 15, is taking place today. While some Nigerians are wishing them a happy married life, others are concerned that they are both too young for marriage. So see more pictures of their wedding. So it then goes on to show you pictures of their wedding. So now this is really something that really jars me slightly. I'm not sure. It's the age firstly, but it's not actually the age firstly. I have to be honest. It's the image firstly, because if you look at the boy himself, who is going to be the groom, I mean, just look at him. He looks like the sort of guy that you still send to go and buy you cigar around the corner. It doesn't look anything like anything yet. And I hope that you're looking at the images as you're listening to the video. What sort of home can a boy like this build? I mean, this is somebody that should be still under somebody's supervision, and is almost certainly still under somebody's supervision. And when he gets married, he will still be under somebody's supervision. So if he's now getting married, where was he still under supervision? Is he and his wife then under the supervision of whoever is supervising him? I mean, look at the boy. I'm saying look at the boy. I should really be saying look at the kid, because he looks like somebody that you still want to come and tell to go and have a bath in the morning and send him off to school and tell him that you are going to phone his teacher to make sure that he's behaving. And this is the boy that is getting married. But then look at the girl. Look at the girl. This is the one that you tell to go and still fetch water, but now they're a married couple. And this is what is going on in the northern parts of Nigeria. But then we remember Senator Shetima or Sherima or something that went to buy some 13-year-old girl from Egypt. So this is the tradition there. But now this is the real thing, because this really jarred me. This is really why I'm making this video, because it just jars my senses just to see this, because I just feel that it's not right. And I hope they go on to build a home together. And I hope it does work out to them, and it almost certainly will work out for them, and good luck to them, and fair enough. But 17 and 15, I mean, for goodness sake, 17 and 15, obviously neither of them have completed an education, because nobody completes an education at that age. So these are still students effectively, and students are not workers. So if you're a student, then you are not working. So, and if you are not working, then you are not in the fit and proper state to start off a home. So everything just rings wrong in this whole thing that we're looking at here. But then they are getting married. We wish them all the luck, because 17 is an age and 15 is an age too. It's not the age that is ideal for most people, but in the north that's almost old even, because for them, you know, maybe if it's straight from the woman to the registry to be registered with the husband. That's how they do it over there in the north, in the Borno state, and all this kind of Malami type of people, you know. So but it disturbed me effectively, and you can tell from the tone of my voice that it does disturb me. So this is why I'm doing this video, just to put it out there to see what sort of comments I get in the comment section, to see what people's reactions are to this sort of goings on. So conversations about this, of course, in the comment section. That is really what I'm looking to incite or to excite with this video. This is what I'm looking to excite, not incite, but to excite in this video. So come join me in the comment section and let's have a chat about it. But before you come join me in the comment section to have a chat about this, click on that red subscribe button so that it turns from red to gray. The bell button as well, that will notify you whenever I drop a new video. Then once you've done both, come let's have a chat about the suitable age for marriage in Nigeria or any other society in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I say peace.